Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a minimal logo animation concept in Photoshop. Create your logo layout and transparent background. Open timeline panel for basic frame animation. Then add scale and opacity keyframes. Now make the logo fade in smoothly. Then add glow or shadow for cinematic depth. Duplicate layers for shine animation, then insert text fade in with brand tagline, then adjust timing for smooth motions, export as GIF or video from Photoshop, keep file size under 5 MB, test playback before export, add background color if needed. Your animated logo concept is perfect for reels or intros. Thanks for watching.